Hey guys, Chetna here from Me with a Pencil, and today I'm gonna show you how you can do calligraphy with using a pencil. So pick up a pencil and let's get started. So materials that we need for today's class is one pencil and a grid pad or a dotted notebook or a lined notebook. So first we start off, you can use any pencil, that is an HB pencil. Make sure that it's not too pointy. Like I have rubbed a bit of my pencil's point. You can see there's a curve here. It's not really very pointed. So if you have a very pointed sharpened pencil, you can just rub off on a paper where you get that scratch, and you get the smooth edges on the pencil and not pointy one. And so you have a very smooth edge. So we are ready with the pencil and let's start. So to start, we first have to know the basic strokes. That is, when your pen goes in the upward direction, your stroke is lighter. So something like this, it's very light, not hard, very light on the paper. So using a guidelines help you to keep your lines in very consistent. So go very light using the pencil. So that is upstroke. So that is upstroke. That means your pencil is going upwards. And now we have the second stroke. Practice this stroke multiple times and then we do this second stroke, that is downstroke. You have to press your pencil when you go down. Go straight downwards. Very slow, and you have a very dark shade with the pencil. As you can see, when you press you get a thick line and these are lighter lines. So this is light and this is dark, and this goes downwards, and this is called as downstroke. So these are two strokes that you need to practice. So now we'll write a word using this line, using these two strokes. So say I'm writing home. So you use go up, okay. So that's how you write. So it looks beautiful, right? So here you have seen that I have lifted my pen at every stroke. So even if you're doing a cursive writing, you can apply the same method. When you're doing up, you go light, and down you go dark, even you're using a pencil. So this is where my calligraphy strokes comes here. So these are basic strokes that are very important when you start with calligraphy during practice. So first you learn how to do those basic strokes, and then you can move on and understand the formation of words. So here, if you see that I have lifted my pen at every stroke I made. After every stroke, I lift my pen and make another stroke. Light you go up, dark you go down. So that's how it is written. Let me write some other word saying April. That's my capital A. That's B. So you can see how beautiful it looks when you're writing just using a pencil. The formation of letters and words of calligraphy is done using the basic strokes, and that is how I have written all my letters too, all my words. So these basic strokes helps you to get better at calligraphy. I hope you get the basic understanding of how you can get started using a pencil. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you next week.